tumekubaliana kwa kauli moja kwamba yale mambo tulizungumza wiki jana Alhamisi kama wabunge, kwanza kuwa hii kinyang'anyiro ya mchezo inaitwa Kipchumba Murkomen Cup, vile tulisema wiki jana, bado inasimama hivyo, kuwa hiyo tournament kama wabunge wa Pokot bado tunasimama kuwa hiyo tournament haiendelei.
This is the animal farm where other animals are better than theirs. Our relationship with the government is very sober because we voted in our UDA government, and we expected it to also the same. But now when we realize some people are getting assisted and others are not, we are feeling we are being deprived of our rights as true Kenyans of this country. So that is why we are saying, even if Onesmus Murkomen had goodwill to this county in terms of peace, why is the game being played in Makutano, where we don't have issues of insecurity? The game should be taken to the border, where now
mambo ya kusema ati sisi ni wezi, hiyo ikome. Na tumesema there are communities ambazo zinatuzingira inatutafutia maneno. Na ndipo tunasema Murkomen, kama wewe ni rafiki yetu, mbona wewe uwezi ukatetewa Pokot? Na sisi tunakususpect sana kwa hii issue ya kusema sisi si wazuri. We really suspect you. We want to say that one freely, without any doubt. We suspect you of that incitement against this society.
So what we are speaking as an assembly is that we are speaking on behalf of our suffering people. A day ago we went to bury our own who were killed by the government.